MWM Schmieranlagen is an all-Italian story made up of study, insights, passion, creativity and perseverance. It is a story that for over 30 years has brought together creative flair and the rigour of engineering. MWM Schmieranlagen is a company that operates at a very high level of performance in a niche sector: design and production of minimal lubrication systems. These systems are able to deliver a minimum and extremely exact oil metering for the lubrication of high-speed precision rolling bearings. Integrating mechanical, hydraulic and optoelectronic elements, MWM produces oil-air lubrication systems with electronic detection sensors. Minimal lubrication is a specialized sector of automatic lubrication technology where tiny quantities of lubricant are supplied in a constant, continuous and controlled way. The MWM story began in Milan more than 30 years ago, in 1986, when the founder, then 30 years old, graduated in mechanical engineering. And it was thanks to a process of synergic research between the company, its customers and the Politecnico di Milano that the first patents in the minimal lubrication sector came to light. MWM was the first Italian company to patent an oil-air minimal lubrication system with an integrated electronic detection device. This technique allows us to combine high performance, efficiency and respect for the environment. Minimal lubrication, MQL, requires far less lubricant and causes less pollution than either mist systems or recirculating oil lubrication systems. We work with micro flow rates by using volumes of just hundredths of a milliliter per hour distributed constantly and continuously. For example, a flow of about 3 drops of oil per hour. And it is the MWM mixers and systems with their own control sensors that enable us to manage the supply of tiny quantities of lubricant with great precision. Our sensors and electronics are built by a strategic partner which is of great importance to us, BTSR, world leader in the production of electronic sensors, produced with cutting-edge technology and assembled and tested one by one in an air-conditioned and constantly controlled environment. This ensures the continuous detection of the flow and of the whole lubrication system. This allows higher performance and minimal use of lubricant, avoiding overheating due to hydrodynamic friction, a continually monitored technology enabling a constant minimum operating temperature. Thanks to the customization of the detection software, MWM is able to conceive different systems for each request. MWM products combine craftsmanship and high technological standards. Each MWM minimal lubrication system is assembled manually with individual components which are the product of highly advanced technologies. Among the various services, MWM provides its customers with a series of backup systems which can be sent out within 24 hours from the request. But it is research and the constant challenge of finding high-performance solutions which have made MWM Schmieranlagen a leader in the manufacture of compact minimal lubrication units for high-performance industrial machinery.